Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the channel, welcome on tours. So we're still in the lovely Rhodes, Old Town. I'm just going to have a little wander around the streets and take you guys with me. So let's see what's on. Such a beautiful little area around here. You can really get lost in all the little picturesque scenery and all the little streets. Really is worth a visit. So if you have come to Rhodes, definitely do the medieval Old Town. We had a little tour guide. We came here in the evening a couple of nights ago. So it's really nice to see it sort of like in the daytime. We just went up to like a clock tower and had a beer. So I'm going to head towards the main gate and I'll show you guys. It's about a 7-minute walk. I thought I'd take you guys with me. Going to start my maps because although I do a tour channel, I can get lost very easily, which can sometimes be more of the adventure. Loads of really nice jewellery. All the little like trinkets and everything. This is the main street. And down. Bling bling. These ones are all like really pretty. Like your little more dainty jewellery. Or your little bracelets. There's their silver, which is good. It's about 36, 37 at the moment, so it's really hot. But what I found about this part of Rhodes is there's a nice breeze. When we're in Falaraki, which is where we're staying, there isn't, so it's quite nice here. Really pretty little restaurant. Show you such beautiful architecture. Got a really nice little cafe snack bar down there. So might have a nice little sit and chill. There you go, little figurines. Have a little look in here. Wow, look at that one. It's the lounge space for it. It's not quite a feature. It says do not touch. I don't know if they're real.
25 my best off.
Nice, but I don't think I'll be able to get it in my carry-on. A little bit too heavy for me. So again, some nice little areas to sit, chill, do a little bit of people watching, which is what you guys can do right now. Joys of Wagwan Tours. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It really does help push the content, and if you are enjoying the videos, go and check out the rest. This is our first time in Rhodes, so you're exploring with us as we explore, which I always think is great. But if you have been here, do comment below and let me know what your favourite areas are. I need to make sure I'm going the right way as well, because I will just get lost. I think at the moment we are. Nice little bit of fashion. S for Sabrina. I don't think that's what it stands for. A little bit more of a goddess dress. And you've got your like pottery. So yeah, really pretty to have a nice little day looking at all the shops, have a coffee, get lost down all the little side roads and chill out. Everything seems quite affordable as well. Nothing seems too overpriced. Nice little medieval tavern there. Real leather. Another little medieval. Oh. Hey, look everyone, you're going to turn to stone. Do you like a bit of Greek mythology? Listen to, I don't know if anyone's read or listened to the Audible of Stephen Fry. Does like a really good little bite size of the mythology and all the stories. So if you are interested, I do recommend his one on Audible. Good little listen, but there's probably some more in-depth ones if you want to take a deeper dive into the Greek mythology. Nice little bakery. Oh, look at these little cats. The cats everywhere are just adorable. Look at that one. Making the cutest little seat. Wow. Then you've got your traditional. Very nice. We had an ice roll, ice cream earlier, so I've had my sugar intake. Right, let's make sure I'm still going the right way. Bit of Carl, bit of Chloe. Yeah, sunglasses. Nice bit of ice cream, Greek yogurt. That's pretty, isn't it? Look at that. Very nice. So we went there the other night. It was evening. Nice little bar in the evening. Ah, look at that road down there. I'm just going to take a tiny little detour. Follow the pink. Phone's buzzing at me. It's like, you're going the wrong way. But sometimes the wrong way is the right way. Ah, look at that. So pretty. Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Just got to take a little look. Right, let's get back on track before I get lost. What a pretty little restaurant. Loving the pink. A little cat roaming around. This is the island of cats. I've taken so many cat pictures. Right, I think I'm pretty much coming towards the main entrance now. So you can get this like free bus. So we parked as free parking, which is such a blessing because usually parking is the extortionate bit. And then you can get a free bus, like a travel bus from the parking, which is really handy. Let's have a look at this one. Bit of booze. Little miniatures, you've got your soaps, your olive oil, which I would literally bathe in if I could. Then you've got your traditional sponges. Honey as well. Do you want to take a honey home with me? But I'm only going to be able to take a very, very small one. And for some reason you've got to have your dick bitters. Take a little wander up here, very, very quick wander. And that's the main gate. And I'll show you out there. Very pretty jewellery. Love a blue stone. This is right up my street, these colours. I have a gorgeous ring that Kurt got me years ago, but I don't actually wear anymore because I don't want to get damaged. Kind of looks like that, but the blue is a very unique blue. Really pretty. Right, let's go to the main gate and I'll show you out there. So this is where we caught the bus from. Oh, sorry. Where the bus dropped us. So So show you guys the entrance, very, very grand. So this bit I think is like the airport and stuff, so you can get like the ferries across to like the other little islands and areas. So Colonia Port. Going to cross over and I'll show you. And then you've got the little bus area there. You can walk back, it's not a far walk, but it's nice to have the bus options, especially when it's like roasting hot. And we've done so much walking the last couple of days in the heat. I've honestly done so many workouts, which I'm going to be starting when I get back, because we've been on back-to-back trips with the channel that we've made a little promise to each other. We're going to start our health kick, so just to kind of get ourselves back on track, I'm starting an intensive workout plan. I like doing Shaun T and healthier eating, so it's kind of like a, I don't want to say diet because I hate the word diet. I think it's such a stupid word, but it's more just being conscious about what I'm putting in my mouth, making sure it's healthy and has a purpose, and making sure I'm working out regularly as well. And it's no excuse, but it's hard to do when you're constantly away, and then when I'm not away, I'm at home, you're editing, you're doing sort of all these extra things. It's been sort of non-stop, back to back. So we've got a little break when we get back, where we've got a sort of 6-week pause. So it's a really good opportunity to get into that frame of mind. I think once you're in it, it's harder to get out of it. So if you guys are interested, I can keep you posted on that, let you know what I'm doing. Like I say, it's mainly just for health, making sure, keeping strong, healthy body, mind, soul, all of the rest of it. I'm not really fussed about the whole aesthetic of it all. But yeah, I do want to make sure that everything is in working order, because you only have one body, so you've got to take care of it. She says as I eat about at least, not a litre, what, 500 to 1 kilogram of cheese on this holiday a day. We went to the village post again last night. You guessed it, halloumi wrap. Cannot get enough of those wraps. They are made to perfection. There's a difference, I think, when you have someone who has that skill set, and it's obviously been passed down, because we've had gyros from so many different places, and nothing beats the bread that they make at the village post. It's definitely something that's been passed down. That little recipe is perfect. So this is the little beach bit I was talking about. Really pretty, really blue. You got the boats there. So we'll have a little step down, have a look at this little beach. Got some people having a little chill, little swim. We're going to do that later. We're going to probably head off back to Lindos, which is an absolutely stunning little area of the island. Really, really pretty. Do recommend going there. We have a video on the channel, whether or not it'll be up before this one, but do look out for it. Really worth a visit. If you've not been, check it out. If you want to go, check it out. If you have been, just want to reminisce, check it out. But yeah, really, really pretty part of the island. Look at that water. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's have a little step down. I know, this is what you've got behind you. It almost seems a little bit unreal to have this like fortress, and then you've got this. The juxtaposition is insane. Oh, actually seems like quite a nice step. Ooh. Okay, these guys up first. Right. Just gonna jump. So yeah, so we've been walking around little medieval streets and the hustle and bustle to a chilled little cove of paradise. I really want to make sure you guys are seeing the clarity of that water. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, well I think I'm going to end it there. This has been Wagwan Tours. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, it really does help the channel. Ring the bell if you don't want to miss any future content. And I'll see you guys on the next one.